Today's Bible verse comes from Luke chapter 6, verse 38, King James Version. Give, and it shall be given unto you. Good measure, pressed down and shaken together, and running over, shall men give into your bosom. For with the same measure that ye mete withal, it shall be measured to you again. Luke 6:38 teaches that generosity is rewarded abundantly and that the way you treat others will be reflected back to you. Jesus promises that if you give, it will be given back to you in a good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over. The good measure phrase comes from ancient market practices of filling a container to the maximum, symbolizing overflowing abundance. This principle can apply to material, spiritual, and relational generosity, and it's based on the idea of reciprocity. The standard you are used for others is the standard that will be used to you. Here's the key points of Luke 6:38. Number 1. Give and it will be given to you. The core principle is about a reciprocal relationship. The more you give, whether it's time, love, or material resources, the more you will receive. Number 2. A good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over. This vivid imagery describes a generous measure that is filled to the absolute maximum, overflowing with abundance. Number 3. Poured into your lap. This phrase signifies receiving a large, overflowing amount of blessings. In ancient times, the fold in a robe's front could be used as a pocket to carry items, so poured into your lap suggests receiving more than you could hold. Amen.